Alright, I came out to plant more lettuce and spinach. My lettuce is bitter. It's so beautiful, but it's bitter. I think it's just been too hot, so I don't know if it's trying to bolt or what, but look at this tomato. It's so funny. I don't know how it got there. But I do have some potatoes growing. And I haven't tried the kale. I don't know if it gets bitter in the heat too. I'm assuming yes, but I'll have to try it. There's another potato. And then my bitter lettuce. But I'm going to plant some more lettuce today. And hopefully it'll be better. And I don't know if like these little guys, like if they'll, because since it's cooling down a little bit. Oh, another potato. I don't know if the little guys, like if they'll be fine. Hopefully. I'm going to do a bunch of lettuce and spinach. Here's my radishes. I've been picking these. These ones are probably ready. Some of these. And my beets are looking beautiful. They're starting. I see a couple like little actual beets starting. So that's exciting. And I planted more radishes, so hopefully they'll start popping up. And then I'll probably plant more again in a week or so. And then these are the pink quinoa. And it's starting to, I think, flower. I don't really know how quinoa works. I really need to look that up because they're growing really, really nice. I've got 2 plants back here. And this one up here kind of mixed in with my beets. These beets are growing well. Some smaller than others. I've got some really small ones. These radishes are, some of them might be ready. Those ones look like the bulb is like down farther and then it's got kind of a stem on it. And these are I've been picking mostly these French breakfast ones. My peas are not doing good. They're pretty crispy. I think that most of them are not going to make it. I was hoping that they'd grow and that it would cool down and they would be fine. This one's looking okay. Like it's almost. So I'm hoping, because it's supposed to be like highs in the 80s. And so hopefully that'll be cool enough that some of them can survive. Look at all my basil. So this is all lemon basil. I've got hundreds and hundreds of plants. It's really crazy, but I'm gonna freeze dry a bunch of that. My tomatoes all have tomatoes on them. This is my Berries Crazy Cherry. It just was looking dead all spring, all summer, but it's got some on it now. And then my German breakfast. Okay, so these ones are German lunchbox, and I've got a bunch of those. I don't know what variety this one is. This one was a sucker that Brigham planted, so it's got a couple tomatoes on there. So we'll see what that is. My white currant is dying. I've been picking kind of the last ones. Oh, look. A honeybee. Is it dead? Oh my. Is it in a spider web? That's crazy. Okay, anyway, sorry. Yeah, so I've been just picking these last ones off as they ripen, and then I'll cut that plant down. I've got a couple of Sunrise Bumblebee tomatoes mixed in here. And mostly that's it. I've got some ghost peppers over there. I don't know. Let's see. I saw some little peppers finally on there. So we'll see how that goes. Make some hot sauce or something. So I've got some pumpkins starting to turn color. got one in here. It's really big. And then I've got one right there. I've got some little baby ones. Let's see if they develop. And I'm getting lots of cucumbers, Armenian cucumbers. That one's about ready. I've got a bunch of little babies. I think I counted like 10 babies on here. So here's a bunch of these little guys over here. So that'll be fun. I've got some over here also on this side. Here's one. A couple of babies. And I've got, let's see, what was I going to say? There's tomatillos growing on this side. Let's see. All those tomatillos. So that's fun. I didn't think I would get any. And then my Kajari melons. Got one here. And these ones are still, I'm just waiting for them to ripen up. And then another baby cucumber. Got bean plants just all mixed in. Ooh, what's this? Something is growing nicely here. I wonder what that is. I don't see any little baby fruit yet. Look how pretty those are, those little tendrils. Oh, there's a fruit on there. Oh, this might be my little honey nut butternut. That'd be exciting. I really wanted to get some of those. And then, the zucchino rampicante, that's what is growing over here. So that's super exciting. Yay! Oh yeah, look. I think that is the honey nut butternut, or I don't know if I planted any normal sized butternut, but it could be that too. I've got all kinds of beans that are supposed to be bush beans, but clearly are not. I've got okra that's all starting to flower, and we've been picking okra from these ones. Oh, look at that. So pretty. And then this okra over here. We've been picking it off of there too. So I'm getting some okra, random things, some baby Kajari melons. Let's see if those make it. Pretty fun. My zinnias, I've got quite a few bloomed now. These ones are kind of spent, but they're still so pretty. This one's just opening up. I've got a couple down here that are gonna sprout. I'm hoping these are other colors. That'd be fun. This one's I think this one's the pink okra right here. The Okinawa pink, I think it's called. I've got some little corn going, so we'll see what happens. This is supposed to be the glass gem corn, but only one survived. So all these ones are the baby orchard corn. So I don't know. We'll see. There's all the tomatillos. Filling out pretty good. I've got a watermelon over here on the fence. It's just hanging. We'll see what happens with that. And then I've got more pumpkins outside the garden over there. I've got, this one's just about ready. This one's a big one. Got a little guy over there that I just have not picked. It's been ready for a long time. There's a big one. These funky ones. These really funny shaped. I don't know why half of them are like that, but I'm sure they cross-pollinated. But okay, so that's most of it. I've been picking some of the Bikino peppers. They're looking a little bit better, the newer ones. And there's a couple other peppers ready back there. But pretty just grown over, but the pumpkin took over, and then the other tomato plants that I planted back there took over. So there we go. So that's the status. Oh, we have been picking a bunch of these little field pea or cow pea ones, and we have, you know, a good amount of little dry beans that we're putting in a little jar. We're gonna see how many we get, so that's exciting. And then these are the purple cowpeas right here that I planted. So it looks like they're about to start flowering, so hopefully we'll get some of those, and we'll just make a little some sort of soup or something with both of them together. Try it out. So that is what's going on with the garden.